So this is question 19, and in this question we're given a table which shows us the percentage distribution of estimated salt intake for men and for women in a certain population. And we're told to assume that the number of men and women is equal. We want to know the percentage of all people who consumed more than the regular 6 grams per day. So it's important when we see this table to remember that we're talking about the cumulative percentage. So can you remember what that means? The cumulative percentage means that we're kind of adding up to the total as we go along. So this 11% is the percentage with 6 grams or less, but also that includes the percentage with 3 grams or less. It's cumulative percentage. These aren't the individual percentages, otherwise they'd have to sum to 100. So we need to work out the percentage of men who consume more than 6 grams a day and the percentage of women separately first, and then combine them. So can you have a go at doing this now? Okay, so for men, we take our 100%, which is the total amount, and we're going to subtract 11% because 11% of men had 6 grams or less, which is under the daily amount. So this gives us 89%. Can you do the same thing for women? Okay, so for women, there are 30% of women who had 6 grams or less, and this, remember, includes the 3 grams or less, so we don't need to add on the 3. So it's 100 minus 30, so 70% of women were above the daily amount. Now we need to work out the total number of people, the percentage of all people who consumed more than the 6 grams. And to do this, we're going to find the average of these two percentages, and we can do this because we have an equal amount of men and women. So how do you think we're going to find the average of these two percentages? Well, all we need to do is find halfway between 70 and 89, and that will be our percentage. So let's do that now. So all we need to do is, the difference between these is 19, so we need to half 19 to give 9.5%, and then add that on to the smaller percentage. So we do 70% plus 9.5%, which gives us 79.5%. And we want it to the nearest 1%, so we're going to get the answer of 80%, and our answer is D.